morning students. You can see pharmaceutics practical 1. Today we will do this one, serial number 11. You can see formulation and evaluation of mucoadhesive tablets. Today we will do the formulation part only. We will not be doing evaluation part because in one day 2 parts you cannot perform both the parts. So today only we will concentrate on this one. Which chemicals we need? You can see here we need HPLC, and then we need magnesium stearate, we need talc, we need lactose, and we need microcrystalline cellulose, because we will go for direct compression method. And this is the chart of the ingredient. Drug 50 mg. As a drug we have used diclofenac sodium. For part tablet the amount is 50 mg, 110, magnesium stearate 4.5, talc 4.5, lactose 81. And we have targeted for actually 10 tablets, but we are taking weight for 14 tablets because during mixing, sieving and during compression there may be some losses. And after mixing all of them, after mixing lactose, talc, hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose, magnesium stearate, diclofenac sodium, we will pass the drug. We will do the mixing in mortar pestle because here it's a very small amount. Then we will do the sieving. We have taken a sieve, we will do the sieving. So we will try to prevent any kind of aggregation, and we want to reduce the particle size as well. And after mixing, then sieving, we will mix microcrystalline cellulose. It's here. So this one is rotary tablet punching machine. Hopper. These are the. This is the turret. There is a die cavity. Today we are aiming to prepare a tablet whose weight will be in between 240 to 260. Average weight will be 250. At first I am filling the die cavity with the blended powder. You have seen we have prepared the blended powder. I will not do any kind of tapping here. The volume is adjusted for 250 mg of tablet. Now I am keeping it here, and what I need to do, you can see it is in on position. I will simply, there is a speed control, you can see. I will rotate it clockwise. This process is very fast. So I will take out one tablet. This way we have prepared till now 3 tablets we have prepared. Another 10 tablets will prepare now. We will show you later when the 10 tablets will be ready. There is the collector. We can collect here also. As we are preparing 1 tablets, we are collecting the tablets manually. When you are preparing in bulk, you can collect through this tube. And if this is the emergency, if there is any problem, you can just turn down this one and it will be stopped. Okay. So we have done the blending or mixing in mortar pestle because the amount was very less. But if you use more amount, bulk amount, the ingredient weight is more, you can use this blender. We know this is double cone blender. You can see here. This one is double cone blender. You can do the mixing here if the amount is in bulk amount. and for sieving we can use that sieve shaker. As the amount was very less, we have done it manually, otherwise you can use the